Hello, it's Family Driver. Welcome to another video. Welcome to another rainy day in England, and what a perfect day to summarize how do I find using Rain-X on my car. So as you will see in the video in a moment, I treated half of my windscreen, I treated my driver's side window and a mirror. I did it because I wanted to see the difference between a treated side of the car and untreated side of the car. So I recorded a number of videos over last month since I treated the car to capture how it behaves in different conditions and how it behaves over time.
But let's go back to the beginning. First, I have to start with giving this glass a really good clean. For that purpose, I'm going to use my trusted fast glass from Autoglim. For the second stage, I'm going to use a clay bar. Clay bar will basically catch all of those contaminations which are stuck to your windows, and you can simply remove it with just wiping it. I simply dipped it in a warm soapy water to provide some lubrication, and then just gone around the car cleaning all the windows. After that, another round of wiping with fast glass. So as you can see now, I divided a windscreen into two parts. One will be treated, one will be untreated. You simply put some Rain-X onto your cloth, and then you go around the glass and you make sure you gave it a really good coverage. So the product's on and it's time to remove the tape. So once the tape is removed, you can actually see where the product sits on the glass. And as by magic, within the next 20 minutes, the clouds gathered and it started to rain. You can actually see how different the water behaves on the windscreen. So this is the test with the hose, and you can straight away see how it behaves differently. It's basically hydrophobic, it doesn't allow water to gather, it breaks it into a small droplets. Just to demonstrate to you how much different the water behaves on it when you drive. As I mentioned before, it works best in heavy rain. The more water there is, the clearer your view will be. On the left, the water basically flows over your windscreen, creating this mosaic effect basically. So it really affects your vision, you can't see any details, and basically you wouldn't be able to drive like that. On the right hand side, you have treated area, and as you can see, the droplets do not connect. So basically the rain and the mist, they stay as a little droplets. And as you can see plenty of detail through it. And actually, if you wouldn't use your wipers, you can still drive and have quite a good vision. The only negative I could mention is that little haze for a fraction of a second after wiping the windscreen. So in this clip you can see both the mirror and the window which were treated, and as you can see, the water is just simply pushed away by the air. On the other side, the untreated mirror and untreated windows, the water just sits on it, and that affects the vision quite significantly. So it works really well on side windows and mirrors.
So I treated half of my BMW and I treated my wife's car, and I can easily say I could do it again 6 times. So it meant to last for 2 months, therefore it will easily last a year. And bearing in mind I only paid about £6.50 for a bottle with delivery, I think it's a bargain. So since I treated both of the cars, I had a chance to actually use them both in various conditions. I drove through some short, heavy rain, some light rain, drizzle, spray on a motorway. So I have really good experience now with this product, and I actually can comment on how well it works. I think the drawbacks, let's start with the drawbacks, are if you are traveling on a motorway and it's not really raining, but there is a lot of surface water, so there is a lot of spray only, it will not really allow you to drive without using your wipers, because what it tends to do, it's misting on your windscreen, because the little droplets does not connect with each other like on the untreated side of the windscreen. They basically creating that haze and that mist which you have to basically wipe off. The situation is completely different when it's raining. So when it's raining, and if it's a light rain or heavy rain, you will see the droplets literally running away from your windscreen because they are pushed by the wind. So honestly, I can recommend this product. I think it's brilliant. I didn't have a chance to compare it to any other water repellent products of this type. However, you know, I heard that Rain-X, it's one of the leading ones, if not the best one out there. So maybe in the future I will test the other product. However, for now, I'm so happy with Rain-X. I will continue to use it, and I can definitely recommend for you to get one and use it on your car. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this little test. I'm hoping to see you in next video very soon. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, give it thumbs up, and see you next time. Goodbye.